Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. In this video I will talk about the ratchets. Today will be ratchet time. You can see here trustworthy 3/8. 3/8 is most used size. It's the one in middle. Quart is small one. Half drive it's a big one in this automotive repair. Most likely if you have only one ratchet it will be 3/8. This is a polished Craftsman which I bought over 20 years ago and I used that entire time, and she's broken. In those 20 plus years she was repaired once, and it was that deal. It was a full lifetime warranty. It was the deal then where the ratcheting system failed on you. You took it to the Sears and they replaced it there for you for free immediately, because they had that repair set at the cash desk where you paid. They just fixed it for you. So in 20 plus years, absolutely unbelievable service. She really fits great in the hand, but as you can see it's not a flex, it's just a standard straight, a relatively low profile ratchet. I believe Craftsman doesn't sell them anymore. This number is not for sale anymore. So she's done. There's no Sears. I can chase the repair kit for it, maybe, but that will be questionable when it can happen. So I needed replacement ASAP. Now, as you can imagine, anybody who works on the cars daily professionally needs a lot of tools and needs a lot of ratchets. Here you can see what is sitting around in my toolboxes. This is the one which broke. Here is a special one which gives you a chance to turn the handle around and do these weird tricks with it. You can lock it in all kinds of angles for hard to reach places. I don't use it very often. Here is the one which has a double tilt on it, also extremely helpful, but not often. Here is the classic 3/8 straight from the Harbor Freight, because you see that Pittsburgh, absolutely wonderful tool, used daily. I have extremely good experience with these puppies. I have no problems with them. Absolutely enough for me, this quality. Here is the flex head, absolutely fantastic. 1 quart Craftsman, pretty thick for a 1 quart. This one is nothing special, doable, absolutely priceless. 3/8 long handle, again from the Harbor Freight. It's a Pittsburgh. Look how in good shape it is. Totally fantastic. Never gave up on me. I have it for a long time. Half drive, big one, monster, right? Incredible Pittsburgh ratchet. Here is the matching Craftsman. That's super old, again over 20 plus years. But if you look at the click, she doesn't have a very fine click, but it's a locker, it's not a flex. Again, I don't use this much, but she's from that set over 20 plus years. Here is interesting, another ratchet, very low profile. You have two sizes. You have a quart and 3/8. This can reach in tight places. This is pretty good, but again, I don't use it very often. But the reason why I'm making this video is actually this ratchet. when that 3/8 finally broke recently, I looked up on my options. I look on the Snap-on. Maybe I could have treated myself with the highest quality available, full lifetime warranty and so on. So I looked it up, and the Flex 3/8 cost approximately $150. I always miss my Snap-on truck because he comes here way too early. I'm still at home, so it's a funny story, funny joke. I'm still sleeping when he visits this area, so I didn't see him for a long time because of that. So I looked around, I look on the Snap-on price, warranty, availability, quality, and then I said, okay, we have a Harbor Freight, I will quickly go there and look what they have, because the other ratchets I showed you are fantastic. I have zero problems with them, and I couldn't believe what they offer. The item number is 70150, and it's a 3/8 flex head ratchet. And this is, my friend, in my opinion, the biggest bargain in the hand tools at this moment. I'm serious about it. This flex, super nice ratchet cost right now $25 with a tax. So if they have it on the shelf, if you are lucky, because guess what? They put a new low price on it, and when I wanted it, it was out. But in our area, they get a truck each Thursday, so I went there Thursday after work. The shelf was empty, but I asked the friendly managers, and they went in back and dig it out for me. So this is not just flex, it's a low profile, they call it flexible head design, and this one has 72 teeth. So this is super fine click, you can hear it hopefully. This is absolutely fantastic, and I will say enough for everybody who works on the cars. Of course, everybody's different, and I understand some people, they have to have a Snap-on. That's the only way they roll, and I fully respect that, and that's the prices they pay for the tools. What I didn't know about is, I forgot, that this has also full lifetime warranty like a Snap-on. I asked that manager lady multiple times. I hope I was not getting on her nerves. She told me clearly, and it says here, lifetime warranty and free replacement. So if it breaks on you, they will not try to repair it or anything. They will just give you a brand new one immediately. So it has the grip is pretty comfortable. This one is green. You saw all mine are red, which I prefer, but this is what they have. This is absolutely fantastic. I kept this thing so I can show you how it looks, the packaging. I already used it. I love it. It's super great tool, and yes, it will be nice feeling to have a Snap-on, and maybe one day I will switch to it, but I guess I should fix more cars and charge more money. It will be a different video discussion. I will say right now, if you don't have a nice 3/8 flex, run to the Harbor Freight. There is new lower price with a tax. It's $25, and I can tell you, I very, very highly recommend you to get the other ones too. This quart, this tiny baby, priceless. This works so good. It's a relatively good low profile. It fits everywhere. with those little quarter sockets. Opposite the extreme, the big one. Oh my God, I'm prying with this. I gave it a hard time. I never put the extension pipe on it, but I loosen a lot of stuff with that. And here is that 3/8 long, also priceless. You can see the difference. You might think that's not much, but no, it is. It's a huge difference. If you have a 3/8, if you work on cars, buy both of these. That flex head, priceless, guys, priceless. I love them. I have these Pittsburghs. I have them for years. Never failed. There was never a hiccup on them. So it only made sense to finally get this one, the Flex 3/8. So I hope you find this video helpful. I'm not sponsored by Harbor Freight. This is my own tools. I paid for all of it full price. No discounts, no promotions. So I'm not connected to them. This is just my own opinion. If you work on cars even a little bit, gives yourself favor for a price of one snap-on ratchet, you can have all of these included, and you can keep happily wrenching on your car, on your Toyota. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. See ya.